We'll guide you through how to make scrollable table in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop and use the taskbar search feature to find Google Chrome. Once the browser appears in the search results, open the Google Chrome application. After the browser launches, type Figma into the search bar and click the official Figma website from the search results. Before continuing, ensure that you're already logged into your Figma account so you can access your files. For this tutorial, begin with a project that already contains a table. Once you open the file, the edit page of your project will appear with the table visible on the canvas. Press the F key on your keyboard to activate the frame tool. Click and drag to draw a frame that slightly cuts off the right side and bottom of the table, creating a smaller visible area. Next, click the table layer to select it. After selecting the table, press Ctrl+Alt+G to create a frame selection around the table layer. Once the new frame has been created, resize it again so that it crops the table from its original size, leaving only part of the content visible within the frame boundaries. With the new frame still selected, go to the Design panel on the right side of the interface. Locate and enable the Clip Content checkbox. This ensures that any content extending beyond the frame boundaries will remain hidden during preview. After enabling Clip Content, switch to the Prototype tab in the right side panel. Find the Overflow section and change its setting to Scroll Behavior. For this example, choose the Both Directions option so the table can be scrolled horizontally and vertically. Once all the settings have been configured, click the Preview button to test your design. In the preview window, try scrolling through the table. You will now be able to move across the table both up and down, as well as left and right within the frame.